PW stock analysis Tuesday and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Power rate stock sitting at around $1.30, now $1.28. 28% gains as well. So this is ARCA, you know. Zooming out a little bit, we can see that slowly started putting in some beautiful bullish, you know, movements, footsteps, which that's what I like to see, by the way. It's all coming down from some demand areas here. And honestly speaking, this does look very bullish to me. It does look. For me, like, this is just my bias, but I genuinely want to see the highs get cleared out next, without falling anything lower other than like 76 cents. Those are my 2 cents from making like 24,000 videos over the last 4 years in the market. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars and it's free. Goodbye.